In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add back-in-stock alerts in Shopify. This is really useful if you often sell out of popular products and want customers to be automatically notified when items are available again. It helps you recapture sales you might otherwise lose, and it also gives you insight into what people are most excited about. First, log into your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, look for the option to go to the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll find apps that extend what your store can do. In the search bar, type back in stock. You'll see a number of options, but for this tutorial, we're going to use an app called Notify Me. Click on that app, then choose install. Follow the prompts to complete the installation and approve any permissions it requests. Once the app is installed, head over to your online store section and open your theme editor, sometimes called the online store editor. Here, you'll want to find the area for app embeds. Look for the Notify Me app in the list of embeds and toggle it on to enable it. After you've turned it on, make sure you click Save in the theme editor so the changes go live on your storefront. Next, go back to your Shopify admin's main dashboard. From the list of installed apps, click on Notify Me and then choose the Back in Stock option within the app. This is where you'll manage how the alert feature looks and behaves in your store. Inside this section, click on Customize Appearance. You'll see several areas you can adjust. Start with the button itself. You can control the text that appears on the button, like notify me when available, and decide where it will be placed on the product page. Then move on to the subscriber form. Here you can change the form title and the text on the submit button. You can also customize the email field label, the placeholder text, and the error message that appears when someone enters an invalid email address. The same kinds of settings are usually available for SMS and WhatsApp, so you can tailor the language for each channel to match your brand voice. Next, customize the confirmation message that appears after someone subscribes, as well as the message for customers who are already subscribed. You can also adjust the toast notification text and background color so it fits your store's design. Finally, configure what customers will see in their actual notifications. You can edit the content for the first back-in-stock notification, any reminder notifications, and the thank you message they get after purchasing. When you're happy with everything, double-check that you click Save inside the app so none of your edits are lost. To finish up, visit your live store and navigate to a product that's out of stock. You should now see the Notify Me button and be able to walk through the experience just like a customer, confirming everything looks and works the way you want.